Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn very important statements in SQL, which are commit and rollback. So what is the job of each of them? Let's switch first to Microsoft SQL Server to understand these two statements. When we need to take a precaution before making any change in a table, update or delete, we can use something called begin transaction. And inside begin, we can type our code. So if you want to update a table or delete, we type our SQL code after begin. So in this case, we'll have the choice either to commit to confirm this change, or we can roll back. So for example, first here I'm connecting to DSG database. I need to type begin, and after that type transaction. This is a transaction name. And after that, I start typing my code to update a value inside project table. So for example, I need to set the budget value to something else. Let's say 190,000, where project number equal 2000. If I select this part of the code till here and execute, I got one row affected. Now I still have the choice either to roll back or commit. So commit is to confirm what I changed, and roll back is to go to the previous value. So now if I go to tables in DSG and right click to select from project, I cannot see anything because the process has not finished yet. Rollback or commit. So let's go back to the query and let's select commit and execute. And now if we go back to our select query, now we can see the results. So this process of selecting data from project was pending, waiting for us to roll back or to commit. Since we committed, we got the new result, which is 190,000. Let's say I need again to change this value to something else. Let's put any value I want here, and this time I type roll back. Let's select this part of the code and execute, and let's execute select, and again you cannot see any results because the process is still pending. Let's go back this time and select roll back and execute. This time we can see the results. However, we still have the same value for budget because we rolled back. We didn't commit the change. Same thing, we can use it to delete. And let's now switch to MySQL. In MySQL, the syntax is a little bit different. Instead of begin, we need to type start, transaction, and everything else is the same. So let's select these two lines, execute. However, in MySQL, you can see the results. The process of showing the results is not pending. So select rows and you can see the results. But if you go back here, select rollback and execute, and go back here and select, you can see here we went back to the same results, to the original results of the budget, which is 170,000. So the difference here between MySQL and Microsoft SQL Server, here we can see the results even if the results are not confirmed, commit or rollback.